Nangag assignment ni agkulay kami kanuti masakbayan.
Come on, come on, come on, come on.
A, S, J. We lead the way, we'll rise today.
Sa pagsibol ng araw, liwanag ay ating matatanaw. Sa pag-usbong ng
AIM's City Nation is bustling with energy.
asri
Various programs and activities take place.
iwawag na iway na bawat isa'y handa sa pagpapakitang gilas. Itaas na ang bandera, iwawag na iway na bawat isa'y maghanda sa pagpapakitang gilas. Berde dilaw, hindi kami bumibitaw. Bante hiyaw, pasulong lang aming galaw. Berde dilaw, sabay-sabay sisigaw ni
Jose dito
sa gitna nitong laban,
Quite right, we entered the Junior High School classroom. In grade 9, we focused on abundant Savior, spreading the message of God through action and words, training the Josephines to witness to the
handa sa pagpapakitang gilas. Taas na ang bandera, iwawagay-iway na bawat isa'y maghanda sa pagpapakitang gilas. Berde dilaw, hindi kami bumibitaw. Bante hiyaw, pasulong lang aming galaw. Berde dilaw, sabay-sabay sisigaw ni
Excellence is the goal of Brady. We encourage students to go above and beyond in their studies and their personal growth.
Law, sabay-sabay sisigaw.
ang Jose dito
Everybody, everybody, everybody. Berde dilaw, hindi kami bumibitaw. Bante hiyaw, pasulong lang aming galing.
A, S, J. Witness to the world. We lead the way, we'll rise
Welcome to the ICT Room, where we prepare you to the digital age.
Our cutting-edge labs and resources will provide you with the skills you need in programming, web development, and digital media.
We also have the Prefect of Discipline Room, ensuring a positive and respectful environment for everyone.
Paano tayo nagiging mas magkatao, magkabago, malikhain, palaban di magpapadaig. Malasakit sa kapwa at sa pangarap matatag.
Hi! Ngayon, puntahan naman natin ang faculty room. No students allowed daw. Sige, mag-transform ako. Okay na, let's go. Welcome to the AFD's faculty room.
The heart of our dedicated teachers to inspire and guide us.
ang Jose dito
Hindi kami bumibitaw. Bante hiyaw, pasulong lang aming galaw.
A, S, J.
our peaceful chapel, we find space for reflection, connection, and community.
We are witnesses to the word.
Sa gitna nitong laban, mananatiling armas natin ang kapayapaan.
Need to review? No problem. Tahimik, presko at may space para mag-focus. Dito, hindi ka lang kumakain, nag-aaral ka rin. Kunwari...
Join a vibrant community to our future engineers, humanists, and entrepreneurs. Bye na! Lalabas ang aircon!
Verde dilaw, hindi kami bumibitaw, bante hiyaw, pasulong lang aming galaw. Verde dilaw, sabay-sabay isisigaw kami. Verde dilaw, hindi kami bumibitaw, bante hiyaw, pasulong lang aming galaw. Verde dilaw, sabay-sabay isisigaw.
ASJ Clinic, it offers a high-quality medical care. Our school clinic serves as a safe haven for all, offering medical treatment, mental health assistance, and wellness services all in one location. Welcome to the universe of discovery, where curiosity meets creativity.
Our school laboratories, both junior high school and senior high school, promote learning diversity by accommodating various learning styles and motivating future scientists from all backgrounds.
Hi! Now I am at the home economics room. Kanila, ASJ is our home. Hala, drop out, pero very nice.
Don't worry, be happy dahil may generator ang ating school na i-donate ng mga batch 1999. Nagmayat, di ba?
Discover the beauty and inspiration of the statue of Saint Joseph, an embodiment of faith, protection, and devotion. So bring the spirit of Saint Joseph into your life. Experience the love, protection, and inspiration he represents. Order your statue today and start your journey of faith.
Our school offers various and numerous activities and opportunities, not only for your academic advancement, but also for your physical, social, moral, and spiritual development.
As always, we do our best. We have our full lineup of faculty members, our full staff of administrators, all those who will be taking care of you, teaching you, serving you, and guiding you so that your time with us as students will be a well-spent time. That at the end, you will become better persons. Not that only you have learned, but you have developed and grown.
Narito hinuhubog tayo sa pasikot-sikot sa palibot-libot na mga metro kuwadrado.
ASJ Grounds, saan ang lahat ay bida sa sports. Ready na ba? Tara, laro na! At kung hindi ka masyadong sporty, chill lang, spectator ka sa fun. May snacks pa kasi sa ASJ Grounds, lahat ay welcome.
sa pangarap, matatagang kapit. Panalangin sa may
As a proud Miss ASJ, I stand here proud, with yellow in my hands representing new beginnings, fresh and bright, and green representing growth, nurture, steady and true.
Iwagayway ang mga kamay, sabay-sabay. Hindi kami bumibitaw, bante hiyaw, pasulong lang aming galaw, berde dalaw. Hindi kami bumibitaw, pagkat
Kaberde at
kami
ilaw,
ang
tagumpay ang hatid ng bawat galaw.